We're going to solve a couple of problems using the distribute strategy for multiplication, and we will follow 4 steps. Problem number 3, 7 times 8. Step 1 says, break the second factor into smaller numbers. 8 is the second factor. We can break this into any addition that we would like as long as the two numbers add up to 8. And remember, we mentioned to use 5 or 10 whenever possible. So 5 would be a perfect number to break 8 into 5 plus 3. How did we break the second number? Think of your explanation. I'll give you a moment. We break 8 into 5 plus 3 because we want to create easier multiplication problems, and 5 is an easy to multiply number. Step 2, ready, read. Set up the box model. To set up the box model, we'll draw one long rectangle and a line that cuts it in half up and down the middle. The value that will go on the outside of the box model is the first factor. The values that will go on the top of both of the boxes are the two values that we said we're going to break 8 into, and I chose 5 plus 3. So here's your 8, but we're going to split 8 into 5 and 3. How did we set up the box model? Think of the explanation. I'll give you a moment. We set up the box model by drawing a rectangle with a line up and down through the middle, placing the first factor on the outside, and placing the two values that we broke 8 into on the top of each of the boxes. Step 3. Ready, read. Multiply to find the value for each box. This is called the distribute strategy. The reason why the name is the distribute strategy is because the word distribute means to send an equal copy. We're going to send 7 to multiply times the 5 and give us 35. We're also going to send 7 times the 3 and give you 21. So the name, the distribute strategy, is almost a reminder that we have to send 7 to both of these values, 7 times 5 and 7 times 3, and then we have the two values inside the box model. How did we use the box model? And think about distributing or sending the multiplication of 7 to both of these values. I'll give you a moment to think of your explanation. We used the box model to organize the multiplication of 7 times 5, which equaled 35, and 7 times 3, which equals 21. Step 4. Find the product by adding all the box values. So the values in the boxes are 35 and 21, and we are going to add these two values together, which would give us 56. So 7 times 8 is equal to 56. How did we find the product? I'll give you a moment to think of your explanation. After step 3, we took the two values, 35 and 21, and we had to add them together to get that the final product for 7 times 8 was 35 plus 21, which equals 56. You are now ready to complete problem number 4 using the distribute strategy for multiplication.